The best camera settings for iPhone. So if you want to know about the best camera settings on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So the things like iPhone cameras, flash, or timer might not always help. Those aren't the only features available to you. Like other apps, camera has only some of the settings directly in the app, while others are buried in the iPhone settings. So the features you'll find in settings is you just need to open up your settings, and under your settings you need to go with the camera option. Under camera, you need to go with the preserved settings option, and you will have this kind of interface. Under preserved settings, you will have formats option. You just need to simply go with the formats, and under formats, you need to choose most compatible option. And within the camera app, you'll see some more familiar features like live photos, camera timer, burst mode, night mode, HDR, portrait mode, focus, and exposure. So if you're finding that all of your photos are a little blurry, maybe you're moving the camera ever so slightly. When you press the shutter to take the picture, to fix that, try out the iPhone camera timer. When you're in the camera app, tap on the timer icon at the top of your screen, and it will offer to delay the photo for 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Select the time for the delay, tap the shutter button, and then hold still, and you will have clear images. So composing your shot well is more than half the battle. And to help you with that, iPhone has built-in grid lines. The iPhone camera grid lines will show you how your picture is divided into 9 equal squares, so you don't have to guess at it. That's helpful if you're trying to line up a shot with the horizon. Put the subject in the center of your frame or follow the rules of thirds. Just turn on your feature, go to the settings, and under settings you need to go with the camera option and switch on the grid toggle. Under the composition option, you will have the grid option. Simply go and turn on the grid. And this is how it looks when the camera is turned on. And the next thing you need to do is capture unique shots. So fortunately, there's burst mode instead of tapping on the shutter button. Hold it down and the camera app will capture up to 10 photos per second. You'll be more likely to catch the adorable yawn of your toddlers or the way your dog cocks your ears when you call her name. Each burst will appear in your Photos app and just one photo with the burst badge. To view all pics in the burst, tap Select, then swipe through the images and pick your favorites to save them as individual photos. And the next thing you need to do is take sharper photos. So you can lock the focus in place so that your subject remains sharp as you move the phone and compose the shot. Instead of tapping, just press and hold where you want the camera to focus. When it's locked, you will see a yellow box reading AEAF lock, and you will get a sharper photos. Or if these fixes doesn't work, then you just need to readjust your camera settings. So simply go to the settings and open up your camera option, and under camera you need to simply go with the preserve settings option. Once you tap on preserve settings, now switch on the toggles for camera mode, creative controls, and live photo. So simply toggle on 3 options. Once you toggle that on, this will ensure that the camera settings you adjust in the app stay in place after you close and reopen it. So these were some settings for your iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.